Hey there, Gales. Today, we're diving into the world of multi-factor authentication, or MFA for short. It sounds fancy, but it's just a way to keep your account super secure. One of the best tools for this is the Microsoft Authenticator app. Now, I know that setting up new tech can be a bit of a hassle, but guess what? You don't have to do it alone. Click the link in the description below to go to an easy step-by-step instructional video that have you set up in no time. Or our IT services team is here to help you set it up in 5 minutes or less. All you need to do is drop by the IT service desk in Galileo 111 or come to one of our setup sessions listed below. Whether you're a tech whiz or someone who just wants things to work, we've got your back. Now is the perfect time to get that done before your go live date. Take note of your go live date. Staff have already gone live. Faculty, your go live date is just around the corner on October 1st. And for all students, mark your calendars for November 4th as your go live date. So, why wait? Get your multi-factor authentication set up today. We can't wait to see you at our next session.